Hello and welcome to a quick update video. This is my 1996 Solectria E10 pickup truck, parked next to the 95. And what I've got hooked up is, this is the 144 volt connector for the air conditioning, and I unplugged my connector here. I didn't actually have any connectors to plug in there, so I've just got pins that I just shoved in there. This little umbilical I've made is fused. I got two 12-amp fuses just in case. And this little umbilical here that I made was much easier than having to bring up a bunch of car batteries. That light's not actually on, it's just the reflection. I've got the light on the phone. So we're going into the 144 input of the DC to DC converter. Hopefully it works. I actually had a 30-amp fuse in there. It says on the side that it outputs 31 amps, but that's the output side, not the input side. It's supposed to only have a 5-amp fuse, and I know that because I took the fuse out of mine to check. It's got a 5-amp fuse in it now. We're taking the output of that, coming up here to a little halogen lamp that I've got as a load, and it's just clip-leaded and then hanging over the edge there. Little hook. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and connect, and hopefully this puppy DC-DC converter lights up. So, got, go ahead, these are got shrink wrap on them, so they should be safe. So, I'm going to try to do this. I can't get it in there, but might see a little spark. Oh, we did. It's in there, and ta-da! Light came on. So it looks like DC-DC converter is working. That's good news. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to hook this umbilical up to this guy, input to the power steering controller, and then we'll go ahead and test that. So I'm going to pause it, and we're going to hook that up. Okay, so now I've got the umbilical hooked up to the input to the power steering pump, or controller, which I've plugged in the motor. So the motor is plugged in down there. It's this connector. And I've also hooked up I'm just using my little battery charger as a 12-volt source because I need to, so I've got the one clamp hooked up down here to the little ground terminal for the vehicle, and then touching this, it's just an optocoupler that tells this guy to turn on. To that should apply power, should make it start spinning. Gotta go plug this in, and see what happens here. So I got that plugged in, so that should have 144 volts over here. And I don't know how I'm going to do this, but if I touch that to here, you should see the pump turn on. Ready? There you go. So it looks like power steering pump's working. So yeah, that wasn't too bad. Thanks for watching.